Have you ever been sleeping peacefully at night when suddenly your leg tightens up like a rock? That's sharp, stabbing pain shoots through your calf or foot, forcing you to jump out of bed in agony? Yeah, that's a leg cramp. And here's something shocking. Over 60% of adults experience nighttime leg cramps, especially people over 40. But what if I told you that in most cases, these cramps can be completely prevented just by changing a few simple habits you're probably ignoring? So if you're tired of waking up screaming in pain, or if you want to finally sleep peacefully again, then stay till the end of this video, because I'm going to show you the real cause of leg cramps, how to stop them instantly, and the daily steps to prevent them forever. Before we talk about prevention, let's understand what's really happening when your leg cramps. A cramp is basically a sudden, involuntary muscle contraction. It's your muscle's way of saying, hey, I'm overworked, underfed, and dehydrated. The most common spot are your calves, thighs, and feet, and they often strike when you're at rest, especially during sleep, because your blood flow and movement slow down. Now, contrary to popular belief, leg cramps aren't always caused by exercise. In fact, most nighttime cramps happen because of mineral imbalance, dehydration, and poor circulation. Let's break it down simply. There are 5 main causes of frequent leg cramps, and I'll walk you through each one. 1. Dehydration. Your muscles need water to relax and contract properly. When you're dehydrated, even slightly, sodium, potassium, and magnesium levels go out of balance. That's when the muscle fibers start to misfire, leading to sudden spasms. 2. Mineral deficiency. Think of minerals as your muscles' electric wiring. The most important ones are magnesium, potassium, calcium, and sodium. If you're low on magnesium, the relaxation mineral, your muscles literally can't relax after contraction. 3. Poor blood circulation. Sitting or standing too long, especially during the day, limits blood flow to your legs. When you finally lie down, your muscles react to that lack of oxygen with painful contractions. 4. Overuse or fatigue. If you walk, run, or work on your feet all day, your leg muscles can become overly tired. Tired muscles are more prone to cramping, especially if you skip stretching. 5. Certain medications and conditions. Some diuretics, statins, and blood pressure medications can lead to cramps by flushing out minerals. And people with diabetes, thyroid issues, or nerve problems may experience cramps more often due to circulation changes. Now, let's say the cramp already hits you. In the middle of the night, your calf locks up like iron. Here's how to stop it right there. And then, step 1, stretch the muscle gently. If it's your calf, straighten your leg and pull your toes toward your face. This stretches a muscle and sends a signal for it to relax. Step 2, massage the area. Use your palm or thumb to gently press and massage the tight spot for 30 to 60 seconds. This increases blood flow and helps release the contraction. Step 3, stand up and walk. Even if it hurts, try to walk slowly around the room. It helps flush oxygen and relieve the tension. Step 4, apply warmth. Use a warm towel or heating pad after cramp eases. This helps relax muscle fibers and prevents it from returning. Step 5, hydrate immediately. Drink a full glass of water, or better yet, an electrolyte-rich drink like coconut water or mineral water. Stopping the pain is good, but preventing it forever is much better. Here's a daily routine you can follow to keep leg cramps away permanently. 1. Stay hydrated. Smartly. Don't just drink plain water all day. Add a pinch of sea salt or electrolyte mixed to 1 bottle daily to replace sodium and minerals lost through sweat. Drink water gradually, not in large gulps at once. Aim for about 2 to 2.5 liters per day, depending on your activity level. 2. Eat a mineral-rich diet. Make sure your meals include bananas, avocados, and spinach for potassium, pumpkin seeds, almonds, and leafy greens for magnesium, dairy or fortified alternatives for calcium, sea salt or pink salt in moderation for sodium. If you're over 40, your body absorbs minerals more slowly, so a high-quality magnesium supplement, especially magnesium glycinate or citrate, can help a lot. 3. Stretch before bed. A 2-minute stretch can literally prevent midnight cramps. Try this. Stand 1 step away from a wall. Place your hands on it. Step one leg back and press your heel down. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds per side. Do this every night before bed, and you'll notice the difference within a week. 4. Move more during the day. Avoid sitting or standing too long in one position. Every hour, take a minute to walk or flex your feet to improve blood circulation. 5. Choose the right sleep position. Sleeping with your toes pointed down, like when lying on your stomach, shortens the calf muscle and can trigger cramps. Try sleeping on your back with your feet slightly elevated or supported by a pillow. Here's a little secret most people over 50 don't know. Taking the right nighttime vitamins can help your muscles recover and prevent cramps while improving sleep. The most effective combo is magnesium glycinate, 200 to 400 milligrams at night. Relaxes your muscles and calms your nervous system. Vitamin D3 plus K2 supports calcium balance and muscle strength. B-complex vitamins help with nerve function and muscle communication. Take these after dinner with water or warm milk, and you'll sleep deeper and wake up cramp-free. Let's bust a few myths about leg cramps, because there's a lot of misinformation out there. Myth 1, only athletes get leg cramps. Fact, even people who don't exercise can get them, especially due to dehydration or sitting too long. Myth 2, leg cramps mean poor circulation only. Fact, circulation is one cause, but mineral deficiency and muscle fatigue are more common triggers. Myth 3, drinking more water solves everything. Fact, you need water and electrolytes. Drinking only plain water can sometimes dilute minerals even more. Myth 4, cramps are harmless. Fact, repeated cramps can actually signal underlying issues like magnesium deficiency or nerve compression. So don't ignore them. A few simple lifestyle tweaks can help your muscles stay happy. Avoid too much caffeine or alcohol before bed. They dehydrate your body. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep daily. Poor sleep affects muscle recovery. Wear comfortable shoes with proper arch support. Keep your legs warm at night, especially if you live in a cold area. Cold muscles cramp more easily. If your leg cramps happen every night, last longer than a few minutes, or cause severe pain or swelling, it's time to see a doctor. Sometimes cramps can be linked to circulatory issues, nerve compression, like in your back or neck, or even side effects from certain medications. Getting a simple blood test can reveal if your potassium, calcium, or magnesium levels are off. Here's a challenge for you. Follow this for just 7 days and feel the difference. Day 1 to 3. Drink 2 liters of water daily. Include banana plus spinach plus almonds. Day 4 to 5. Stretch calves every night for 2 minutes before bed. Day 6 to 7. Add a magnesium glycinate supplement before sleep. By the end of the week, your muscles will feel lighter, stronger, and more relaxed. So now you know, leg cramps aren't random, they're a signal. A signal that your body needs attention, hydration, and minerals. The good news is you don't need medication or expensive therapy to fix it. Just the right habits, nutrition, and awareness can keep your legs cramp-free forever. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share with someone who keeps complaining about leg cramps. They'll thank you later. And before you go, tell me in the comments, when was the last time you had a leg cramp? Let's talk about it below backhand index pointing down. Watch next. The #1 nighttime vitamin for men over 50 to boost sleep and energy. Subscribe button. Join the health family for more natural remedies. Thanks for watching, friend. If today's video helped you, click that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, and share it with someone you care about. Stay healthy, stay wise. This is Heal Miss.